Welcome back to Wandering. Today, we will explore one of Brazil's gems, Leblon Beach. Located in an upscale area of Rio de Janeiro, Leblon Beach is an ideal destination for those who love natural beauty and a vibrant atmosphere. With its long stretch of fine white sand and clear blue water, Leblon's diverse community, combined with its rich and passionate culture, creates a vibrant and warm atmosphere, making anyone who visits feel welcome and loved. The image of girls in bikinis lying on the beach, enjoying the sun and cool breeze, has become an indispensable part of the landscape here. Their presence not only contributes to the beauty of the beach, but also shows the relaxation and dynamic lifestyle of this coastal area. Underwater, the marine ecosystem is equally impressive with lush green seagrass beds, which are a haven and breeding ground for many marine species such as small fish, shrimp, and starfish. The nearshore coral reefs, although not too prominent, still contribute to biodiversity and create important habitats for aquatic species. Leblon Beach is not only an attractive destination but also has a profound impact on the economy and national image of Brazil. As one of the most famous beaches in Rio de Janeiro, Leblon attracts millions of visitors each year, contributing significantly to the local tourism industry. With a coastline of more than 7,000 kilometers, the country possesses a treasure trove of beautiful beaches, from fine white sand to clear blue water and an ideal tropical climate. Beach tourism not only attracts millions of international visitors each year, but is also a major source of income for many coastal communities. Thank you for watching our exploration of Loveland Beach with Wandering. We hope that the wonderful images and interesting information about this beach have brought you inspiration and joy. If you love traveling to different attractive destinations around the world and want to experience new natural wonders with us, don't forget to subscribe and support Wandering.